Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting Dior unboxing. I got some new Dior beauty makeup. I have a new fragrance. So I'll do a little bit of a try on haul and get ready with me. I also have a very exciting limited edition Goyard bag unboxing. And spoiler alert, the color and the design of this bag really fits the floral theme of my makeup today. So I cannot wait to show this to you because this was something that I had in the back of my mind, but I'll get into it when we unbox it. I'll share some new Dior Beauty promo codes with you, but with every Dior Beauty online order you place, you get this really cute Dior sample little drawstring pouch. You get to choose these complimentary samples, either perfume or skincare samples. And then if your order is over $100, you also get to choose a deluxe travel sample. So I usually pick the deluxe travel mini fragrance, usually Sauvage for my husband, or if they have any kind of a fragrance for women, I'll choose that for me. Sometimes they have deluxe skincare also, but these are complimentary with a $100 purchase. And right now, if you use the code MAGICQ3 with any $130 Dior Beauty online order, you'll also receive a complimentary gift. And everything I talk about will be linked in the description below, so you can go ahead and click my links to shop. You can use the current promo codes. I will have it all in the description. And also make sure you follow me here on YouTube and my Instagram at Heated Mess, because whenever there's a new promo code or gift with purchase or any kind of a sale or deal, I will always share on my Instagram and here on YouTube. Okay, I'm sorry if my dogs are barking, but starting off with what I have on my face, I don't have any foundation today. I just have a mix of these two oldies but goodies. We have the One Essential Skin Boosting Super Serum. After I do my morning skincare, right before I do my makeup, I always have 1 or 2 pumps of the serum. I like to mix it on the back of my hand. And then I mixed it with the Forever Glow Star Filter in the shade 3. This is supposed to be a primer, but I like to wear this just as my foundation for no makeup. So you can see it's a little tinted. I like to just kind of mix it up either on the back of my hand. Sometimes I'll just put it directly on the brush, but I just like to swirl it around. And I don't have any powder products on my face, so I'll just show you what it looks like. But it just evens out my skin tone, and it just feels so nice and refreshing. I don't like to have like a matte face ever, pretty much ever. So I sometimes will top off my like blush with highlighter, but I usually like to have a very glowy finish. So that's all that I have on my face to kind of even out the skin tone and get rid of redness. So these were things that I already had just to start off. And then on my cheeks, I have the new blush from Dior. This is the Forever Blush Soft Filter in the shade Orchid, which is kind of like a terracotta mauve color. I love the whipped moussey texture of this blush. It goes on really smooth, and then it's easy to blend out, so I'll put a little more. I already have it on my cheeks, but I'll show you how it looks when you apply it. I just like to dab it on, and then I just buff it in with an angled blush brush, and that's it. This color is so pretty. I think on my kind of tan skin, I feel like my skin is kind of lightening up a little bit. It makes my cheeks look really flushed and rosy, and then I just blend out the rest of the blush on the bridge of my nose and on my forehead. So that's it. And then I had to get the new eyeshadow because I just love this limited edition packaging. This is the Dior Show 5 Colors High Color Eyeshadow Wardrobe Longwear Creamy Powder Eyeshadow Palette. And I got this in the shade 862 Shocking Pink because I really like this hot pink little travel pouch that it comes in. I think if you get the other colors, there's a neutral palette, and I forget what the other colors are. Here is the pouch. It says Miss Dior on both sides, and I like when the outside packaging is a different color. It just makes it a lot easier to pick it out when it's in your makeup drawer. So here is the palette. You get 5 colors. You get these 2 little eyeshadow brushes. I like this because it's very neutral, but then you get that little pop of hot pink. I have all these colors on my eyes today, so I'll give you a little up close. This taupe, kind of a light brown color, is in my crease. The dark brown I have in the corners, along with the red, and then this lighter kind of iridescent pink shade I have all over my lids, and then this kind of a very light pink is in the highlight here and in my inner corner. And then on my lips, I have their new formula lipstick. This is called the Rouge Dior On Stage Coated Shine Lipstick Ultra Wear Intense Comfort. It's such an accurate name because the formula is so moisturizing and hydrating. Got mine in the shade 390 Redwood Star. I have it on my lips already, but I'll show you what it looks like when you just swatch it. And it applies like a tinted lip balm. So you don't have to be super accurate. So you can layer it if you want more intense color, or you can just kind of blot it out if you want a more natural look. And then I had to get the new fragrance. This is the new Miss Dior Essence. And I love how this is almost like a little more dressed up in terms of its packaging. So here is the bottle. You have this really cool etched houndstooth on the glass. And then even the little bow, it looks like a little tux, like a little tuxedo bow tie. So that's just the packaging. But this is the Miss Dior Eau de Parfum. You can see it has the same design, similar design, but a lighter color. This is a little glittery bow. And then I also have the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. This is actually my go-to, is the Blooming Bouquet with the metal little bow. But look how dressy this one is, like a little, it's like a little tuxedo. Miss Dior Essence is similar to Miss Dior. The notes include rose and jasmine, but then this has notes of jammy, blackberry, and elderflower. It's almost like a sugary strawberry raspberry jam. It's a very sweet, sugary jam scent compared to the regular Miss Dior or Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. Those are more of a light floral. I would say this is more of a deeper floral, probably great for the fall going into the winter, and maybe more of a date night fragrance than the other Miss Dior fragrances. And then even though the new Rouge Dior On Stage Coated Shine lipstick is very hydrating and intensely comfortable, true to its name, I will top it off with the new Lip Glow Butter. Look how cute these are. These came out over the summer and I picked up like 3 or 4 of these. I love the little Dior logo charm. These are so cute to just throw in your purse. So for this shade, again, this is the 390 Redwood Star Shine. I will top it off with the Dior Lip Glow Butter in the shade Toffee. These don't have a lot of color either, maybe a little bit of a tint, but I'll just put it right on top, just for a little more shine. I like how these are really minty. And that is my final look for today, my 2 lip products. And oh, before I forget, I have to share one last gift set. This is the Dior Bridal Essentials gift set with pouch. So when you go to the landing page for this, it shows up with all the products that are included in this gift set. This is the pouch. It's this white Dior little zip pouch with a snap top handle. So it opens up really wide. You can throw in all your little toiletries in there. So you get this Dior pouch. You also get a set of the Dior eye patches, which have the oblique logo on them. They go under your eyes like that. It's nice and cooling. I like that these are individually wrapped for travel. You get the full-size Dior La Mousse cleanser, which is this like foaming cleanser, and even the cap of the mousse has the Dior logo on it. And then you also get a full-size Dior Addict lip glow, and this is in the shade Candy, which is this nice pretty pink shade. Love these prepackaged gift sets because when you add it to your cart, you get the full-size products added to your cart, and then this also automatically adds. But on top of this, you can also use the promo codes like the current Magic Q3, so that whatever other complimentary gift also stacks with this little gift pouch. So when I placed my order, I actually got this little Dior vanity pouch. I don't know if this is still available, but I will link whatever codes are still available. This was a complimentary gift with my Dior order. And now for the Goyard limited edition unboxing. I posted sneak peeks of this limited edition collection. They came out earlier this year in the spring. It's called the Jardin Goyard, like the garden, Goyard garden. And they came out with these 2 limited edition colors. Iris is like a periwinkle blue, and then fuchsia is this hot pink. But the best part of this collection is that the interior of the like various different styles has this beautiful floral garden, like, is it embroidered? I don't know, but it has this really pretty floral interior, and I had my eye on it. But do you remember how crazy this year was with all the new releases there? I just had my like wallet was allocated towards the limited edition Louis Vuitton Murakami collection. So I was like, okay, let me pause on the Goyard. Now that the Louis Vuitton Murakami collections are done, I reached out to my Goyard sales associate, who actually left, but then another sales associate filled in. And I just asked if they had pretty much anything in this collection. I asked first for the Saint Louis, which is the like very well known, it's the most popular tote bag from Goyard. So they didn't have that, but then I asked about 2 other styles. And let me just show you what it is. In honor of the Les Jardin Goyard collection, they have this limited edition floral tissue paper also to match. But I ended up getting, so I got the Goyard Balhara PM in the fuchsia. You guys. Okay, so here is the fuchsia color. Okay, it is very, very cute. What I love about this style, as you can see here, it has these two D rings. It has a crossbody strap that comes with it, which is perfect for me because I usually don't carry top handle bags. My hands are always full with my kids and my dogs and whatever. So I love that it has the crossbody strap. But guys, look at the interior. Look how pretty that interior is. It is so detailed. You have these flowers. It's so colorful. You have this pop of blue here. I love the little beetle even. There's a beetle down there. I saw a snail. There's butterflies. There's a snail. It is so cute. And the best part about this, other than that it has a crossbody strap, is that this is reversible. So just like the Saint Louis tote that I missed out on, the larger size, you can reverse this. I'm gonna play around with this later, so maybe if I reverse it, I'll show you. But you can have either the iconic Goyard canvas print with the leather details on the outside, or you can turn this inside out, reverse it, and show the embroidery on the inside. Now I do have a bag organizer on the way, so I'll do an updated video showing you what fits in here. It's so hard to capture the color in real life. I feel like when I've seen pictures and videos of this, it looks more red. I feel like on camera right now, it looks more red, but it is pink in real life, but it does lean red. Okay, that's the bottom. I love this shape. I fell in love with this bag, this style bag, last year when they had the other limited edition collection. It was like the Under the Sea. I don't really know the theme, but they had this in the aquamarine blue, like a Tiffany blue color. And then the inside was the lighter canvas, and then it just had like a G for Goyard on the inside with the same blue stripes. But I love how unique the interior is. I do have a bag organizer that will unfortunately cover up this pretty design, but I do like to protect the inside. But I feel like I probably will go ahead and reverse this anyway, and then I probably will spray this with Scotch Guard to protect the canvas. For pricing, because Goyard is famously very secretive about their prices, they don't publish any of their prices online. The limited edition collections are always more expensive. I did get the Bohème, limited edition Bohème last year, and it averages to about $1,000 more for the limited edition collection. I don't know why, that's just how it is. This limited edition Balhara PM retails for $33.80. I don't know what the regular Balhara retails for, I didn't ask, but I was debating between this and the Anjou Mini. So I was so close to getting the Anjou Mini because, again, I like that it was reversible. I like the smaller style, but I'm so glad they had this because this has a crossbody strap versus the Anjou that's really just a shoulder bag. The Anjou Mini in the limited edition color. By the way, also, none of the iris bags were available. I think if any of the iris blue bags, like that periwinkle blue, were available, I would have maybe leaned toward that one more. But I do like that this is a really cool pop of a bright red pink color that I really don't have this color bag in my collection at all, so it serves a unique purpose. But yeah, none of the iris bags were available, at least at that store. The Anjou Mini in this limited edition in the iris or this fuchsia retails for $36.10. So I was glad that they actually had the Balhara PM because it was a little less at $33.80. Then I was also considering just the regular Anjou Mini. That one would have retailed for $27.70. And then I'll just read off the other prices. So the Anjou Mini, the regular one is $27.70. Anjou PM is $31.80. Artois PM is $2,700, and Artois MM is $29.80. Because if they didn't have, oh look, the sun's coming out. Look how pretty this is. If he didn't have any of this limited edition color in any other styles, I was leaning toward an Anjou Mini or Artois, I think MM or PM in a classic color. So anyway, that's my new Goyard bag. And here, let's do a what's in my bag. My Dior pouch from the bridal essential set fits right in there. And then my other pink Dior pouch gift with purchase. See, this is what I would consider fuchsia. This one looks more red in comparison. So that fits right in here. And then if you aren't looking at that, then yeah, this does look kind of fuchsia. So okay, this is it just on the crook of my arm and with the shoulder strap. and then as a crossbody. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love that it opens up like that. This is the perfect crossbody length for me because it stops right where I need it to when I need to reach in here and grab my Dior Bridal Essentials pouch. All right, guys, that is my new Goyard Balhara PM in the limited edition fuchsia color with the floral interior from the Les Jardin Goyard collection with my Dior Essentials inside. So if this is still available, I have seen some of this limited edition color available from resellers, so I'll link it below if any of these are available. I think there actually is a sale right now with Fashion File, so I'll link them below if you're interested in this or in the lilac color. But that's my new Goyard bag with my Dior goodies inside. So let me know what you guys think of the limited edition Goyard colors. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.